Hello everybody, I'm back again. So recently I saw a post on Facebook from a local art space announcing that they wanted to do scrap couture, upcycled fashion show, and they were looking for contributors, so people who make upcycled fashion and models. So the first thing I did was find the email contact and go straight in, yes please, I would love to do it. Do let me know what I need to do, how do I get involved, I want to know, please tell me. And they said that currently it was just about putting the feelers out there and seeing who was interested, and you'd need to supply your own models, so you'd have to find somebody to wear the clothes for you for the fashion show. But other than that, it was completely free to be involved, and essentially just to stay tuned and wait to hear back. So very excited. I really want to get my work out there. I wanted to show off my skills, and okay, so on the sleeves we have nice thick elasticated sleeves with a heavy corded lace on the bodice with black binding over the boning channels, sheer material, it's like an organza or something, crepe, I think it's crepe, a sheer material over the sleeve, it's off the shoulder with matching material on the side panels. Layered tulle, lots of tulle with black and white for contrast, and then underneath I've done a plain white underskirt just for modesty. I'm going to turn you around, and we have a scoop back, lovely scoop back with a rainbow lace up eyelets on the rear with a little modesty panel as well, in case you need a little wider of a back. It's on my Etsy if anybody does want to give this dress a home. I will leave the link in the description if anybody is interested. She is a size 14 to 16 in the UK sizes. She needs to go somewhere. It's too pretty to sit in my cupboard. So this is the second outfit, which is a blouse and ruffled skirt combo. The skirt was originally floor length, just a A-line all the way down, straight up and down skirt, and I lopped up to an angle so that this sits over your thigh, and we have a lovely dramatic ruffle. This looks great in movement. It's not so good on a mannequin, but it looks better on a person. And then the blouse was a plain white blouse, and I've added on lots of lace and ruffles and some gold bias binding, which I've kind of distressed to add to the colours of the skirt and just add a little bit of dimension, just something a little bit more interesting. And yes, the blouse is going to be on my Etsy, but the skirt is my personal wardrobe, which won't be going anywhere, I'm afraid. So if you did want one of your own, however, I could consider putting up something on Etsy where you can custom order your own version of this. The sleeves are 3/4 length. Very simple. blazer I'm wearing was originally pure white from an old friend, and I've upcycled it using sheer sparkly tartan material which had velvet on the crisscross patterns. It was very interesting. I've never seen a material like it, and I've given it a sort of punk twist with lots of chains and safety pins, white contrasting buttons. Probably one of my most favourite makes. I've never made a blazer like this before, and I paired it with a pair of jeans I've upcycled to make into the sort of trip alternative cargo trousers. They have a red tartan material in a godate on the bottom of the foot, and then it has big deep pockets with old bracelets and old download lanyards and gold crisscross ribbons, and on the back is a little butterfly sequin which I don't think is visible in this video. Next up is one half of the next outfit. This is I'm calling it a dragon shirt. Again, it's going to be on Etsy if anybody does want to give it a new home, because I have spent time making it. I'm going to take you on a little close-up. Okay, so I painted little chevron patterns on the collar. It says roll the dice with an attempt of a D8. I've got to say, I did try and draw a dice from memory, so, you know, sue me. We have bleach marks pattern across the front, and then when we turn around, I can't turn my mannequin around, she's incredibly broken, sorry guys. We have, where are you going, ma'am? A dragon. Now this dragon is painted with bleach and acrylic paint. It's not my best dragon design, but considering I was trying to paint with bleach, I don't think it came out too badly. This is a men's size medium, but it will also fit a woman's size 12. I like to try and give the concept that clothes doesn't have to be male or female. Once again, this will be on my Etsy under Dragon Shirt. I will leave the link in the description. Now, for the second half is what I'm calling a kilt. I'm hoping that this is going to show up well enough for you to be able to see. A little close up, shall we? Okay, so at first glance, we have some old repurposed ties here, and on the other side also. We've got a pleated front with a safety pin or two in view. Now, what I thought was quite clever, what I've managed to do, is this is an additional front piece added on by the additional button here. So if you undo the button, it's a functioning pair of shorts that had some old staining from a charity shop. It's a waist adjustable with a little pull cord here, and you could also wear a belt. Functioning pair of shorts, you know, fly and everything. And then if we turn around, here's another piece of a tie. Please don't fall. Thank you. We've got full pockets on both sides of the butt and pleats all the way around.